Hi, Andrea here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use GetResponse to create an email automation. So a little bit of background story. I have a product that sells on the internet. It's a digital product and it's delivered through GetResponse after PayPal payment. So there is this integration with PayPal, GetResponse, PayPal. It works really well. Someday I will make a video about that, so if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe right now so you don't miss that video. But the point here is that when people pay on PayPal, they are automatically registered on GetResponse and they receive an email with the link to their download. Now, some of these people, they don't open the email immediately and then they, I think, forget. And what I want to do, I want to create an automation that will send another email to those people that didn't click the link in the first place. I'm gonna make this automation here and you'll be watching, so you're gonna learn something. So if you want to try automation for yourself, you need to have an account, of course, on GetResponse. And if you don't have an account, you can use this link up here to get your own account. It's a 7 days trial, free trial. You need no credit card whatsoever, totally free, and you will be redirected to the sign up page. Okay, it's very easy. Now let's move on and make this automation. So the automation will be linked to this list here, and this list has 234 people on it. So this product has been sold 234 times. As it costs $39, that's quite a bunch of money, not bad. So what we want to do here is to go on automation. So automation, you see I have a bunch of automations here running. Now what we do, we create a new automation. They're called workflow in GetResponse, so create workflow. Okay, here you have several possibilities for creating an automation, but I will just build one from scratch. So you can click here or here, start. What I get is an empty automation. So the first thing you want to do is give the automation a proper name. And so you need to use some naming convention because these are always listed alphabetically. So if you don't use proper names, you won't find it when you have 100. Okay, and this I need to run this automation when people subscribe to the list. Okay, they buy on PayPal, they are subscribed to the list, and in that moment the automation will start. So subscribe to any list via any method. This is wrong, so I double click and I want them to be subscribed to a particular list, which is this one here. Okay, any method, that's fine. So next thing I'm gonna do, I will decide what happens next. So I want to wait for some time, say 24 hours. So basic here, I wait, you take this block, you bring it here and you go here, and we wait for 1 day and 1 hour, and this thing is going out every day and run multiple times. No, this will run only once, so we leave it like this. So this is a delay of 25 hours. So 25 hours after they received the first email, we'll check if they opened it and if they click the link. Okay, so now we connect these two. Okay, put it nicely. Now what we want to do next, was the message opened? That's a question. Yeah, any newsletter is open. No, we have to configure this. So the message that is going out is an autoresponder, and the autoresponder email, now we find it, is this. Well, I hope it is this. Again, naming is very important because if you don't name things properly, you won't find them. Okay, so yeah, but you have a preview here of the email, so yeah, I know that this is the correct one. Again, doesn't run multiple times. When to assume the condition was met, and after 1 day. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Okay, now we know if the email was opened, but again, I'm more interested not in the email open, I'm interested to know if they click the link or not, right? Yeah, so this has to be changed. So let's say link clicked, so this is the one I want to use. Then again, autoresponder, I have to pick a specific message, no, a specific link from a specific message. There are two links into this email. One is to a Facebook group and the other is to the actual product. So I will just select this. This is to the product. So if I remove this one here, I don't need it. Put this here. Okay. Then what to do if they clicked and what to do if they didn't click. So if they clicked already, I don't want to do anything. If they didn't click, I want to send a message. So let's link this. Select a message to send. Now I don't have a message, I didn't create it yet. So here you have automation, drafts, and the thing that you have to create this message before, because otherwise you can't send it. Actually, you can take a message that you already have and then you can edit it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the autoresponder message and we're gonna take the message that we are sending out the first time, and you see copy as automation message, and language, yes, is the same, keep it, and so apply. This will be now copied as automation message and we have to edit it. So in this message we will tell them what to do. We sent them an email, they didn't click the download link and we resend it again. Okay, next I want to check if they have clicked the link to the Facebook group, because we offer them to sign up to a closed private Facebook group, and I want them to get there so we can keep the conversation going and it acts like social proof. So we really need people to join that group, and many of them just don't do it. I don't know why. Maybe they they forget. So this email is to remind them that if they haven't checked out the group in the first place, they should do that, right? So again, link clicked, and put it here, and this is autoresponder, a specific link, this one here, and we take this Facebook group. Okay, so now the question is, how do I link this to that? Now the automation goes straight down. I cannot link it, like for example from here, because there is already a link. What I can do is that I need to add a delay, because if this email goes out, I don't want this email to go out immediately. So I don't wait 1 day, I will just wait 1 hour. So here it's 0 and here will be 1. Okay, and it is like this, but I'm wondering if I can do this. Oh yes, I can. So you see what happens now. Now what I did, and I'm trying to make it look pretty, which, yeah, it's a little better. So we wait 1 hour, we check if they click the first link, the one with the product, and if they didn't, we send out an email telling them, hey, you go click the link. Then we wait for another hour and we check the other link, and if they didn't click that link, we will send out another email here. Boom. And this email will tell them to click the link for the Facebook group. Okay, so either they come from this way or this way, they will always receive the second email. So send a message. This again was from autoresponder. Select a message, it was this one. Yeah, same list. Okay, basically the automation is kind of ready. Yeah, so I will just save and exit. Now I will go in automation messages. So here what happened is that the GetResponse duplicated the message twice, but actually I have it only once. So yeah, this is a little bit disappointing how it works. I think it's better to create the messages first and then jump into the automation. Anyway, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just clicking on it, I'm going to edit the text and then I will duplicate it. Yeah, so it's gonna need a bit of time. So make sure everything is okay. Then I will edit the text real quick. Okay, so this is pretty neat and short. Gonna go to the next step. I have to fix this. So here, HTML to plain. Then you have to edit this thing that it's readable. Always do that. Okay, now I have this as resend. I'm gonna go in the workflow again, make another copy of the original message and edit it. I go down here, double click, and here I pick autoresponder and I take this 100 question guide Facebook group that I just created, apply, boom, now you have it there. Okay, all I have to do is save and publish, and now it's live. Awesome. So you see, that's not that difficult to create an automation and GetResponse. The most difficult part is not the logic, it's not the workflow itself, is the creation and handling of the messages. I think GetResponse can do a better job if it would be possible to edit the messages, to access the editor directly from the workflow editor. That would be really handy. I hope that we'll do something in this sense in the future. Okay, that's it for this video. If you don't have an account yet, remember, here is the link to get your own and do test. Well, have fun with it, because it's really a lot of fun and it's money. I mean, if you make a product and you have traffic, you have your email list and you can serve these people, it brings money. Okay, so go do some homework, set up your account and start working and making money.